across open grasslands and powerful ranches. The Red Bull has long been a symbol of strength, endurance, and raw, natural power. For centuries, bull horns were used for tools, decorations, and traditional crafts. But today, inside modern factories, these natural materials are transformed into luxury leather and horn products through advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship. In this documentary, we step inside a modern Red Bull horn leather factory to witness every stage of production. The journey begins before sunrise at large livestock farms, where Red Bulls are carefully raised under monitored conditions. Farmers focus on healthy feeding programs, clean water, and controlled environments to maintain strong horn growth and premium hide quality. Every animal is tracked and inspected by veterinarians to ensure the materials meet strict industrial standards before entering the manufacturing. Once approved, the raw horns and hides are transported in refrigerated trucks to the processing facility. At the entrance of the factory, workers unload the materials using hydraulic lifting systems. Each horn and hide is tagged with tracking codes that allow the factory to monitor quality from beginning to end. The entire operation follows strict hygiene and safety regulations. Inside the first inspection hall, trained technicians carefully examine every horn and leather hide. They check for cracks, uneven texture, insect damage, and moisture levels. Only the highest quality raw materials move forward. Defective pieces are separated for lower-grade industrial use, while premium horns and hides continue into the luxury production line. The raw hides are then transferred into giant stainless steel washing drums. High-pressure water systems remove dirt, blood, and natural oils from the surface. Industrial cleaning agents are added to disinfect the hides and prepare them for processing. Massive rotating machines keep the hides moving continuously to ensure every surface is cleaned evenly and thoroughly. After washing, the hides move into the soaking stage. Huge tanks filled with controlled temperature water soften the material and restore natural flexibility lost during transportation. Sensors constantly monitor water temperature and chemical balance. Workers inspect the hides manually, while automated systems maintain precise timing for consistent softness across every batch. The next process is liming, one of the most important stages in leather production. The hides enter chemical drums containing lime and special solutions that loosen hair and unwanted tissue from the surface. Slowly rotating barrels allow the chemicals to penetrate deep into the fibers. This process prepares the leather for smooth finishing and long-lasting durability. Once limbing is complete, automated scraping machines remove remaining hair and excess tissue from the hides. Sharp stainless steel blades glide across the surface with incredible precision. Skilled operators monitor every hide carefully because even a small mistake could damage the valuable material. The cleaned hides now reveal a smoother and more refined texture. Meanwhile, the bull horns begin their own transformation process. Workers sort the horns by size, thickness, and natural color patterns. Some horns display deep black shades, while others reveal creamy white streaks and amber tones. These natural patterns make every finished product unique, which increases their value in luxury markets around the world. The horns are placed into industrial boiling tanks filled with hot water and softening solutions. Heat allows the dense horn material to become flexible enough for shaping. Steam rises across the factory floor as workers monitor pressure gauges and timing systems. After several hours, the softened horns are removed carefully, using heat-resistant tools and gloves. Next comes horn cutting and shaping. Precision saw machines slice the horns into different sections, depending on the final product. Some pieces will become decorative handles, luxury buttons, jewelry combs, or drinking cups. Others are prepared for hyene leather accessories. Every cut must follow the horn's natural curve to preserve its strength and beauty. Back in the leather department, the cleaned hides move into tanning drums. This stage transforms raw animal skin into durable leather that can last for decades. Modern factories often use chrome tanning or vegetable tanning methods, depending on the product type. The hides rotate inside giant drums for many hours, while tanning chemicals bond permanently with the fibers. After tanning, the leather changes dramatically in appearance and texture. It becomes softer, stronger, and resistant to decay. Workers remove the hides from the drums and stretch them across large conveyor systems. Excess moisture is squeezed out using hydraulic rollers that flatten the material evenly. While preserving the leather's natural grain pattern, the leather then enters drying chambers, where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled by computer systems. Slow drying prevents cracking and shrinkage. Some factories use vacuum drying machines to speed up the process while maintaining softness. Technicians constantly inspect the leather to ensure each hide dries evenly without losing flexibility or color quality. At the horn workshop, craftsmen begin polishing the cut horn pieces using rotating sanding wheels. Layer after layer is smoothed away until the natural shine of the horn appears. This stage requires patience and experience because overheating can damage the horn's surface. Fine dust fills the air as polished horns slowly reveal beautiful marble-like patterns. The polished horn pieces are then coated with protective oils and natural wax finishes. These coatings enhance durability while highlighting the horn's unique colors. Some pieces are engraved with decorative patterns using laser machines. Others are shaped into luxury fashion accessories designed for premium international markets and high-end designer brands. In another section of the factory, the finished leather is dyed using advanced spray systems and color drums. Rich black, dark brown, and deep red shades are among the most popular choices. Computer-controlled nozzles apply dye evenly across the surface while workers inspect every piece under bright lighting to ensure perfect color consistency. After coloring, the leather receives additional treatments, including embossing, waterproof coatings, and texture finishing. Giant heated presses stamp patterns onto the surface to create exotic designs. Some leather is polished for a glossy luxury look, while other batches receive matte finishes for a softer appearance. Every detail is designed to meet global fashion standards. Finally, the horn products and leather materials arrive at the quality control department. Expert inspectors examine every item closely for scratches, color defects, cracks, or uneven edges. Products that pass inspection are cleaned, packaged, and prepared for shipment. Luxury horn accessories and premium leather goods are then exported to stores and designers around the world. From powerful Red Bulls on open ranches to advanced machinery inside modern factories, the transformation of horn and leather is a remarkable combination of nature, engineering, and craftsmanship. Behind every polished horn product and every piece of luxury leather lies hours of skilled labor, precision technology, and centuries of tradition continuing into the modern industrial age.